Hello my beautiful people, I'm Debbie from the British Brow Bar and I'm going to take you through an extensive tutorial of how to apply our DIY eyelash extensions. That's right, eyelash extensions that you can do by yourself at the comfort of your home under 10 minutes. And guess what? It can last up to 10 days. They are reusable, you can wash and store them, and they're definitely not strip lashes. They go under your lash line and they look absolutely natural eyelash extensions. So let's go. So in order to do the perfect DIY lashes, it's very important to have the perfect lash prep. For that, we need number one, very good cleansing, which you can do with British Brow Bar Lash Foam or any other oil-free cleanser or wash if you have at home would work as well. So after you've cleaned your lashes, the next important step is to dry them. You cannot apply our wispies or our DIY lashes on wet lashes. So here we have two types of wispies. One is for drama, which is a volume lashes. The other one is more natural for day-to-day wear. Along with this, we have three babies here. One is a bonder or a glue. The second one is a sealant, and the third one is a remover. We have an applicator as well, which helps us to apply these wispies to our eyes. I am going to explain everything in detail in this tutorial going forward. Now, let's quickly get into the most interesting part of the tutorial, the application. So in order to apply your wispies, you would need a mirror. So it could be either a wall mirror or a hand mirror. I personally like a hand mirror because it just gives me the right angle for my wispy application. The first step of application is to use the bonder or the bond. Make sure you don't have too much on your brush, and this has to be applied like a mascara. So let's go, just gently, slightly away from your lash line. You apply it generously so that your lashes gets nicely coated with the bond. And once you apply the bonder to your eyes, wait for 10 to 20 seconds or use a handheld pump or a fan, or if you have nothing, just use a card or a book to dry your lashes. This is for your lashes and the glue to get tacky. That means if you touch them, it should be sticky. So now we have the applicator and the wispy on it. Our lashes are already tacky and sticky with the glue or the bond. So we are going to now do the sweeping motion and gently apply it under, just closer to your lash line. That easy. So now we use the same applicator to fuse the lashes. Remember, I said it had a unique curve. So we go in gently and fuse it. Gently go in. Press them down together, hold it for 3 to 5 seconds and gently release. So now we are at our last step, which is the sealant, which is sealing our own lashes with our DIY. So we just gently open it, again take a mirror or use a wall mirror, whatever you're comfortable in, and just gently foam it in like a mascara. So now your lashes are done. Yes, you did it yourself. DIY lashes by British Brow Bar. Now, in order to make them last longer, you have to do aftercare. Firstly, no oil-based makeup remover. What oil does is breaks the bond and it's more easy for the lashes to fall out. Secondly, while cleaning your lashes, be gentle on them. Thirdly, don't sleep on your face. Avoid touching and picking on them so that, because it just feels maybe slightly different, and you're good to go. Keep them properly, you can make them last for a good 3 to 10 days. Now we've done our lashes and we've worn them for the time we wanted to. Now you want to remove them. So in our kit, we also have the remover, which is very easy to apply. It smells beautiful. All we need to do is take a mirror, apply it at the base again, generously, and keep it on for like 5 minutes or so, and then gently remove it. Yes, you did it yourself. DIY lashes by British Brow Bar.